New Orleans is a city rich in culture, history, and distinctive architecture. Homeowners here take pride in preserving the charm and integrity of their properties, whether it's a classic Creole cottage in the Marigny or a stately colonial in Uptown. One home improvement project that consistently boosts property value while enhancing both comfort and curb appeal is window replacement. Here's how this smart investment can elevate your New Orleans home's worth and livability. Curb appeal meets Crescent City charm. First impressions matter, especially in a housing market where architectural style carries weight. Replacing outdated or worn windows with modern, stylish, and historically appropriate models can instantly transform your home's facade. For example, upgrading to double-hung windows with decorative grills can retain a home's classic look while subtly showcasing modern upkeep. In neighborhoods like the Garden District or Bywater, where aesthetic continuity adds value to entire blocks, the right window upgrade enhances visual harmony. Clean lines, fresh finishes, and quality framing materials communicate that a home is well maintained and move-in ready, qualities that prospective buyers love. Energy efficiency that pays off. New Orleans' climate is humid, hot, and often unpredictable. Replacing old, drafty windows with energy-efficient models, especially those with low E-glass, double glazing, and tight seals, can dramatically improve your home's insulation. This means cooler interiors in the summer and less strain on your air conditioning system. Increased energy efficiency directly lowers utility bills, which is an appealing feature for both current residents and potential buyers. Homes that boast Energy Star certified windows are especially attractive on the market, as they promise long-term savings. In fact, energy-efficient upgrades often provide a return on investment not just through resale value, but through immediate monthly cost reductions. Soundproofing for peace of mind. New Orleans is alive with sound, streetcars, live jazz, and lively parades. While the city's vibrancy is part of its charm, peace and quiet are prized inside the home. Newer windows offer superior sound insulation, a notable selling point for properties near bustling areas like the French Quarter or Magazine Street. Noise-reducing windows increase the comfort level of a home and suggest thoughtful improvements to potential buyers. Whether it's a family seeking quiet bedtime routines or a work-from-home professional needing focus, reduced noise pollution is a clear asset that adds market value. Safety and storm protection. Given New Orleans' vulnerability to hurricanes and storms, replacing windows is also a matter of safety and insurance. Modern impact-resistant windows are engineered to withstand high winds and flying debris. They also provide better security against break-ins. Upgrading to storm-rated windows not only reduces home insurance premiums but also gives future buyers peace of mind. In coastal markets, safety features like this can tip the scales in favor of a quicker and more profitable sale. Increased natural light and views. Newer windows are often larger, better positioned, and less obstructive than older models. They allow more natural light into your home, enhancing the interior space and making rooms feel bigger, cleaner, and more inviting. Plus, when you live in a visually rich city like New Orleans, maximizing views of oak-lined streets, courtyards, or the Mississippi River adds immeasurable value. Modern frames with slim profiles and high-quality glass showcase your surroundings without sacrificing insulation. More light and better views create emotional appeal, a key driver in real estate transactions. Final thoughts. Window replacement is one of the most effective upgrades for homeowners in New Orleans looking to increase home value. With benefits ranging from enhanced aesthetics and energy efficiency to improved safety and soundproofing, this renovation offers both immediate rewards and long-term resale advantages. Whether you're preparing to list your home or planning for future returns, investing in high-quality, properly installed windows is a strategic move that aligns perfectly with New Orleans' unique blend of tradition and progress.